How to add crossplay friends on Phasmophobia. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to add crossplay friends in Phasmophobia, whether you're playing on PC, Xbox or PlayStation. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Phasmophobia on your device. Step 2. On the main menu, click Play. Step 3. Go to the Friends tab. Step 4. You'll see your friend code at the top of the screen. Step 5. Share this code with a friend you want to play with. Step 6. Now, enter your friend's code in the Add Friend box and send the request. Step 7. Once your friend accepts, they will show up in your friends list. Step 8. To play together, just invite them to your private lobby, and you're ready to hunt some ghosts. Tips. Optional. Quick tip. Both players must be online at the same time to send and accept friend requests. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to add crossplay friends in Phasmophobia. If you found the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.